However, dismissing the exit polls there as far as the MV is concerned, let's talk about Devendra Fadnavis. We are getting a big scoop on Devendra Fadnavis and Mohan Bhagwat meeting that happened in Nagpur. And this is the scoop on possible RSS role in the Maharashtra elections. As far as the RSS also did door-to-door campaign in Maharashtra, and the workers there who have worked at ground level. And Devendra Fadnavis, who expressed his gratitude to the RSS. But there is a lot of buzz after this meeting that happened with Mohan Bhagwat and Devendra Fadnavis. Does this mean, or is it a sign of RSS endorsement, especially when it comes to Devendra Fadnavis and his position that he holds currently within the BJP, one of the tallest leaders as far as in Maharashtra is concerned? What could be the significance or the importance, Arunil, that could be attached to this meeting?
Well, Amita, one thing is clear that after the voting ended yesterday, Devendra Fadnavis went to the RSS headquarters, had a 15-minute meeting with the RSS chief, that is Mohan Bhagwat. From the look of it, it seems like basically a meeting to pay gratitude from the top leader of the BJP in Maharashtra, that is Devendra Fadnavis, for the RSS. Because in Lok Sabha we had seen the RSS was not actively taking part in BJP's election campaign, and the repercussions were felt in the RSS clout areas of Vidarbha, Marathwada, as well as in UP we had seen the repercussions. This time the RSS Karyakartas were seen on the ground in different constituencies. Door-to-door campaigns were also initiated. Boards were also put up by the RSS Karyakartas. Full-fledged involvement was seen. So a meeting to pay gratitude. But yes, whether the RSS as well as its chief Mohan Bhagwat are endorsing Devendra Fadnavis as the next CM of Maharashtra, considering the exit poll numbers,
right,
that is also something to basically ponder over.
Because if we talk about the BJP being the single largest party there in the state of Maharashtra, will it have an upper hand as far as if it is the return of Mahayuti in Maharashtra remains to be seen? Thank you very much, Arunil, for joining in. You're